Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, I have another quick one for you today. Many times you'll come up with a tinder that will not respond to Ferro Rod at all. It has to be an open flame. And let me show you these oak leaves. I have yet to ignite them with a Ferro Rod. I've crushed them up, and there's another technique you can do with stubborn leaves is to just go ahead and work them until you're just left with the skeleton right there and try to ignite the skeleton. I've tried everything I know to try to ignite these leaves. We'll try some now. I had access to good leaves last year. They were a lot thinner. They weren't thick and leathery like these white oak leaves. So let me show you. It's going to take a flame to ignite these. The Ferro Rod, my little Ferro Rod won't do it. And believe me, I tried them over and over and over again. See, now I just had a flame for a second right there and went right back out. Not sure that it's moisture so much because these are pretty dry, and I've actually tried even drier leaves. This is the perfect time when you may have a tinder that ignites better, and you might want to invest $1 bill. Now this one's kind of new, so I'm going to try to rough it up a little bit. Let's see what the $1 bill will do. Not easy to light a $1 bill, but I've done it many times. And I can't think of, I wish I could think of all the other tinders that are like this. There's many tinders that won't react to anything but an open flame. And for sure, these white oak leaves are one of those. So, just a little tip, maybe you want to keep it in mind. Might help you out someday. All right, y'all. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.